Hi guys, Roxanne here from Tiny Home Living. Well, after being told no more projects, we have a project. And I'm not very happy about it, but we're going to start it. We're not going to get much done today because we had a bunch of other things to do and it's getting late in the day and we've already gone through the time change. So, we have like a few hours less daylight now. So any guesses? My battery died, so anyway, batteries are always dying on this thing. That's what it is with these rechargeable batteries. Now, does anybody want to guess what the project is? Anybody want to make a guess? Would it have anything to do with the abundance of roosters? Beautiful roosters. See, there's two still on the outside of the rooster pen. They might be going in soon. That big one over there keeps doing the little dance and challenging me, so if he starts that, he'll be going into the rooster pen. That's what we're calling this now, but I want to take this fence down. I don't want this here anymore because of all the smell right outside the door. I would like to have like maybe the lawn chairs in here, plus some of the best Saskatoon bushes are in here and they like to eat them. So, on to the project. Did I mention I was told no more projects? It's a man thing, you know. If it's a project they want. I cleared all of the pipes away from here, and I cleared all the wood away from here, stacked it over on the other side of the barn. I would like to turn this barn into a cabin, so I thought this would be a beautiful place to have a living room window looking out into the trees. Wouldn't that be beautiful? But no, it's going to be an addition to house roosters. Because apparently we are a rooster sanctuary now. Yes, we are going to become a rooster sanctuary. Oh, the sun's in my eyes. So that's what we're starting on, and we went to get to the city to get screw piles. Oh, I do love screw piles. I just love screw piles. And they didn't have the shorter ones that we needed. So Chris said, well, it'll save $100 if we just dig holes to put the posts in. You see those? They're called trees. Do you know what the whole ground is full of? Any guesses? Any guesses again? Come on, guess what the ground is full of. Roots. Way out there in the open space, you can't dig a little hole because there's so many tree roots. What do you think? What do you think there's going to be in here? Yes, I'm being really sarcastic now. So, we are going to try to see if there's any hope at all of digging holes in here, and if not, we shall be getting screw piles. Even the screw piles will probably hit roots. So, that's today's little project. Now, I think I've already said this a few times, but out of 11 Americanas, I got 5 roosters. So with Barney, that's 6. Out of 6 buffs, I got 1 hen and 5 roosters. So that's 10 more roosters. And of the speckled Sussex, out of 6 that survived, I got 5 hens and 5 roosters and 1 hen. So that is 15 new roosters, in addition to the 3 amigos that we already had. Look at this guy listening to me very intently. So, yes, Chris doesn't want to butcher them. I kinda don't blame him, but I keep teasing the hens about being, yes, and they're all fighting, of course. I keep teasing the hens about being freeloaders. 2 or 3 of them have been molting, and we've got the little bald hen in the bathroom still. And these are supreme freeloaders. Now look at that beauty there, the white one. I knew from when he was young that he was going to be a beauty. By the way, happy fall. And happy change of regime day. Look at this beautiful girl. The Americanas are just so beautiful. They're just stunning hens. And by the way, like Betty, these ones are all crabby. Crabby. And I'm sort of noticing, I don't know if it's just me, but Henrietta was sold to me by a lady on Marketplace as a broody hen that she wanted to get rid of, and I wanted a broody hen to replace Ruby. And she is just a sweet little hen. Now that she's gotten to know us, she was a little skittish at first. So, and Chrissy is my sweetest little hen, and Hazel is Chris's favorite hen. She's a very sweet hen, and Hazel did hatch one clutch for us. So I'm kind of noticing, like, is it the hens that have the really sweet dispositions that end up broody and good mamas? It kind of makes sense. These new Americana hens, they're beautiful, but they are horrible, crabby little hens. And Chrissy isn't. Chrissy's an Americana, but Betty has been crabby from day one. The new ones are all super crabby. They've all bitten me and pecked me, and they peck you, but they pinch your skin and just hang right on. Like they've done that to my hand a few times. Not impressed. They better be good little green egg layers, because, yeah, not too impressed with those crabby things. So, anyway, I'm just kind of noticing that, because, you know, it's really only like 4 years that we've had hens. Look at Henrietta's hanging out with Buddy all the time, because he's such a sweet boy. And, yeah, it makes me happy to see them hanging out, going out on to the other garden on a date, like date night. I've got a couple that are molting. This poor little girl's molting, but she's getting better. Chrissy too. And I want another one of the Rhode Islands is molting. And that's my sweet little Henrietta, aren't you? You're a sweet little girl, aren't you? Another egg. And it's funny, you get to recognize just a little bit of a difference in shape and color. And this is in the box that I found Henrietta in last Sunday after church. I checked the boxes right away and she was still in there. She did the egg song for me, and I was thinking, this egg looks different. And I was thinking maybe one of the new girls had started laying, and then I found her in the box, and it's the one where I just found this egg. So I think this is Henrietta's egg. So happy. I don't understand why she didn't lay until now, unless she has been laying in the woods, because that's what the broody hens do. And she's got a hiding spot somewhere under the shipping container or in the trees or something. And she's been getting used to the nesting boxes and the coop, so now she's more comfortable laying in there. Anyway, another egg. Not getting very many these days with people molting. Chicken people molting, and sick one in our bathroom, and new ones not laying yet. So anyway, pretty happy. Got another rug for this doorway. Happy fall. And happy regime change to everyone out there. Henrietta was way out in the field and I just called her, and she's coming over. I don't know if she's going to come to me or not. Henrietta, come here. Come here, Henny. Come here. Come here, little girl. Henny, come here. Come here, Henny. Don't ignore me. Ignoring me. Look at, here's this big rooster giving me the dance again. Don't even think about it, buddy. You don't want to do it. I'll toss you into the rooster pen. Okay, enough playing around with chickens. This is the wrap that we put on the bottom of the beams when we did the greenhouse. Keep the moisture off them, so that's what we're going to be doing with these three. That actually went a lot better than I thought. Some really good solid clay there anyway for the base. Pretty thick tree roots though. So we are back at work on the rooster sanctuary. Just gotta put Chris has got a bit of work done here without me because I was doing other stuff. And we just gotta put the ledger up for the trusses to sit on. He's making faces at me. Yeah, and Henny just comes running to me every time I come outside because she thinks I have treats. So she's definitely associating me as the treat lady. Okay, I think you can see what we're doing there. To figure out the beams and the slope. And he also took into account that the sheets of steel roofing are 18 feet. So that's why we came out a certain distance from the barn out this way, so that a sheet, half of it cut at 9 feet, you still have some overhang. This for now, just temporary, just to hold everything nice and straight and level, and we're gonna move the brace now. So it did move a little bit just from unscrewing the brace, so we just leveled that post up again and screw the brace back in place, holds it all nice and square and level. Chris is just squaring the posts off so we can cut them nice and straight. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. We'll see. That one on the end is crooked, but it was too long. We knew it was too long anyway. I was just joking that maybe once all the roosters have found new homes, that wouldn't this make a nice sun porch for the cabin? I'm already thinking. See how long the battery lasts. Now we gotta sort through there and get another straight, nice straight one to sister onto this one that we just put up. We are done for today. We're cold and hungry, and there's a big juicy steak waiting inside for us. So we'll leave it at that. Everything's tacked in place and level and square, and hopefully we'll get some sunshine tomorrow and get back at this. Oh, we're going to get straw tomorrow, maybe the day after.